guys, welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like the video and share with your family and friends. So today we are going to make corn cheese sandwich. For that I took some sweet corn, boiled it and added in a bowl, and into this I added some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, and we'll add some chopped capsicum. If you want, you can add other veggies of your choice. Now some veg mayonnaise and lots of cheese. Here I'm using shredded cheese. You can add any other cheese of your choice. And in goes some salt, it's for taste, some chaat masala, and give it all a mix. You can adjust the quantity of cheese as per your choice. Now I took brown bread. You can take white bread if you want. Now I'm going to spread the corn mix on it. Spread it evenly all over the bread. So there is no harm in adding more cheese. So I'm adding some more cheese on our sandwich. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon. So here I've covered it up with another slice of bread and spread some bread. It will give a crisp taste to our bread. So in a tawa, we are going to toast our bread. If you want, you can use a sandwich maker also. Toast both the sides and cut it in halves and serve it hot and enjoy.